Randy here with USA One Industries with our 77 to 80 Silverado door panels. We've got several colors here pictured for you, but the first one I'm going to hit on is the 7980 green that we have here. I just want to point out how you're going to get this when you purchase it from us. So when you purchase these door panels complete, the picture online is showing everything assembled. This is how it's going to come in the box to you, because there's a little bit of assembly that you have to do. First, we've got everything attached as far as the door panel bags here. We've got the center panel attached. We've got the outer molding attached. We've got the bezel here and the inner cup here already attached for you. Also, you've got the window felt and the door lock grommet attached for you. So the things that you will actually have to do is to install the armrest pad, and the reason why is because you have to mount the door panel first and then put the two screws that go through the door panel into a metal bracket that is attached to the door shell. So that's not something we can do for you until you're ready to put it on the truck. Kind of another thing that you'll have to do is install the pull straps here. So they're as simple as lining up the little nipples here. These larger screws that are supplied for you will go through this hole here, and then it will actually screw into clips that are in the door shell itself. And the reason GM did that is to give that a lot of strength. If it was just screwed to the plastic door panel, you would definitely pull these out really quick. So it goes directly to the door shell. So those have to be installed as you're actually putting on the truck. And then the plastic caps here, they're as easy as just lining up the grooves here and then just pushing down and snap. I'm not going to do it because they're pretty difficult to get off because it's a tight, snug fit, but you'll just apply pressure right here and that will complete the installation for you for these door panels. You've got a few screws that go down here in the bottom, and there's also some clips. You have that one screw there, and on the back side you'll have what they call the Christmas tree style fasteners. They will actually slide into here, and then you'll just apply pressure to the door panel to push it into the door shell. So you have a couple of locations here to hold the door panel in the center. You see here we've got the color marked for you, and all of the studs have their self-tapping nuts on those and are secured properly. So that is an overview there of what you'll receive in the box. We're going to move on to what it will look like when you're all done. So this is the 77-78 blue that we do. And you can see here the armrest pad, the pull strap, the door panel, the bag, everything is nicely matched to that factory color. So we get a lot of our color information from a huge library that we have of original books and documentation from GM and other manufacturers, plus pulling samples from trucks. We compare and make our products that way. So gonna move on to the 79 to 80 camel tan. This is one of my favorite colors because it really looks nice inside the truck and gives it that 70s generation look because of the color scheme that you have on these trucks. It was a very popular color that come out in those trucks, and we sell a lot of the camel tan. So if you look here at the detail, this is called Western Scroll. We've got that matched perfectly. And some of these door panels, they actually come with, instead of aluminum trim, you'll have a wood grain. We are working on that now to offer that in the future. So here I've got a lot of the components actually displayed here on the table, and the reason for this is just to give you some naming conventions that we use, so you can identify it on the website. And also, if you're not needing to replace the door panels, say you just want to buy some of our dye, freshen up the color, and then put new trim on it, you've got the outer trim molding here. So these install very easily. They just press through the door panel. Once you have the center aluminum panel on, they're going to go through those holes, and you'll have the self-tapping nuts that will actually hold that and sandwich both of these pieces to the door panel itself. This is the inner door handle bezel here. This is where your door handle is actually going to come through. And this is the chrome bezel that surrounds it to finish it off. These here we call the door panel pull straps. We have those in all the factory matched colors for you. These screws here, like I demonstrated earlier, they're going to go through the pull strap, and they've got these wide washers on here so that they are reinforced and give that a lot of strength for you to be able to open and shut the door. And then to finish that off, you've got the chrome caps that actually go over top and cover the screws up that finish it off and make it look just like factory. Armrest pads. Armrest pads, if your door panels are in good shape and you just need new armrest pads, we offer just the armrest pads in pairs and all the factory colors for you as well. So this is pretty much our complete lineup for the 77 to 80 Silverado door panels. We're working on a couple of other products for these trucks as well to give you a complete interior to where you can purchase everything. You know, the colors are matching, you know, the quality is US made quality, and you can really restore a truck to the greatest possible way that you can.